when you first get these fountains, they give you the do's, the don'ts, and the how-to. So number 1 and number 2, both of them the same thing, but it's telling you right here to lift up and down in the water to get the air out of the system. Right here it has an X, and it says in the shadow. It won't work in the shadow. Best weather is the sun. Worst weather is the thunderstorms and the clouds, of course, because it covers the solar panel. Normal water level. So when they mean normal water level, don't submerge it in the water. And right here it says the pump is not submerged. So both ways. If you have this like on rocks or something, like I got rocks in that fountain right there. If you have it on rocks and it's not fully going in the water, it won't work. Normal water level means basically make sure that water is not over your nozzle. And then it has an X right here, water blocked inlet. So in the back here, you have your motor. So you push this down, and then this is your motor. And then you, well, they didn't give me no, did they give me? No filters. They didn't give me no filters on this. Usually they give you filters, but I got so many of these. I have a million filters, you guys. So I'll just put a filter in there. But you're supposed to have a filter here. All right, you guys. So again, when it's blocked up on your filter, make sure you clean out your filter and then reuse, or else it won't work. Now we are going to go ahead and tear it off. And these are the tips right there. Peel it back. And then like on number 1 and number 2, it says go up and down in the water. If you don't, you will see air. You see that bubbles like that? That means it's air in the system, but this worked pretty well. All right, take it back out. Now, the cool thing about this model is that you can insert the straws on the inside. These fountains are upgrading every year and they're coming up with new ideas. So all you do is put the straw on the side. Put the straw on each side right there. This is so cool. All right, put it in. All right, everyone. So we are going to go over the nozzles. One of the most important thing of this product. So we have round nozzles right here, and then you have your bullet style nozzles right here. Now, in order to use your round nozzles, you need to have this reducer nozzle right here. So what you do is push this on to the top of your motor like that, and then your round nozzles have these 3 pegs right there. You have 3 recessed pegs there. What you do is find it and then twist. This is the star style nozzle. Now the thing with this is the more sun you have, the higher your water goes. The less sun, the less amount of water that it sprays up. So right now we got a good amount of sun, and we have approximately 12 inches of water height. So that's the star style. Twist. Now we have 7 style right there. Find it and then twist right. Ooh, that one shot up a little bit higher. Let me see. You get about 20 something inches. Let me go over here so I don't block it. All right, you guys, we are at 21 inches. I'm pretty sure if it was hotter out here with more sun, probably get to 22 inches, but that is pretty high. Now, again, these straws right here are to block it so it don't come all the way to the side, because if you didn't have these straws, this will come all the way to the side and water will spill all the way out. And trust me, your fountain will empty out very quickly. Now, I don't use this in my bird bath, of course, but if you have a little pond or your pool in your backyard, then this is a pretty cool feature to have. Now we're going to get into this 7 right here. Basically the same as this 7. Seems like the same, but this one have lines on it. So let's go ahead and see what it's like. So that one is more sprayed on the inside. And again, it's still shooting up pretty high. Yep, 21 inches. All right. Gonna pull those off. Now I'm gonna get into my favorite. My personal favorites are the bullet styles. Just because there's a certain style that I can use in my bird baths. So this is my personal favorite right here, the style that I could use in the bird baths and not worry about a lot of water leaving the bird bath. Here we go. Oh, I lift it up. There we go. So that's the style that I like right there. Again, you will need, of course, a bigger style bird bath, but this is cool. And if you don't want too much water to spray out, you might be able to cover it like that. I don't know if that's why that is there, but if you don't want too much water to spray out of your bird bath, that's a good way to cover it, so that way not a lot of water will come out. I actually just came up with that idea, and I don't know if that's what that is meant for, but that is a smart idea. I'm a good engineer, right? But that's my favorite one, you guys. Let's go ahead and get into the other ones. All right, so we have that. We got this one. Now the bullet styles are good, especially if you have a bigger size bird bath or pond. But as you can see, it's doing good in this pond right here. This is the Proving Grounds pond. And then I move it to somewhere else. Blocked it. 18 inches on that one. Seems like you get more height on the circle ones. All right. This one is 6 going up. Which one I just had? This one was 7. Wait, 6. Yeah, this is 7. This one is 6. Again, get the air out the system if it don't work properly for you. All right. Let's go ahead and finalize it. Now, this one here, I don't really use too much, but this is, again, straight shot. And I might have to dip it back in. Had too much air in the system. So that is a straight shot right there. Now, the thing with this, it splashes on the solar panel a lot. And when it splashes on the solar panel, it splashes out, as you can see. So that's the only thing about this one. Let me see if I do this. See, this is cool. I actually like this little float that they have here. All right, you guys, and that will be it. No built-in batteries, no lighting. This is simple, basic. And trust me, birds will love it. They love it. They love it. All right. Birds go into the bird bath and they take a bath with it. If you have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section and I'll get back to y'all as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.